Pierre Armand suffers from Pompe disease, a rare genetic disorder. An enzyme defect causes the accumulation of substances in the cells, resulting in a progressive deterioration of the muscles. Depending on the patients, mobility issues can be light or severe, like in Francesco's case, an Italian child, who unfortunately, at the age of 7, passed away, despite the existing therapies and the dedication of his parents. Confronted with these diseases, widely unknown to the public and most doctors, parents often feel isolated. When you learn your son has a rare disease you've never even heard of, you feel at first like you're facing a brick wall.
Since the disease is rare, the drugs are very expensive. Money is needed for the current therapy and research, for finding new therapeutic solutions.
Unlike other incurable rare disorders, a therapy is available for Pompe disease, which is able to slow down its progression, but is still not totally effective. Cardiac and respiratory problems can appear, sometimes ending with the patient's death. In Naples, Giancarlo Parenti has been fighting for 30 years to improve these treatments. Since 2006, patients can be infused with an efficient synthetic replacement enzyme. This treatment has saved many young patients.
Enzyme replacement therapy was a major breakthrough in treating these patients and solved problems such as cardiomyopathy. It's obvious we need to go further. We've got a long way to go before every aspect of the disease can be treated.
Today, Parenti's team is working to improve the efficacy of this therapy. Scientists have combined the enzyme replacement therapy with an oral drug, the chaperone, which boosts the enzyme's effect. Tested on some patients, this combination has given better results than the enzyme therapy alone. A clinical trial is ongoing in order to validate these promising results.
I'm convinced that in the end we'll find a treatment or combination of treatments to deal with every aspect of the disease.